विथ माई आउटफिट यू मस्ट बी नोइंग कि मेरा आज का आई शेडो कलर क्या होने वाला है, विच इज आई थिंक दिस इज द मोस्ट यूनिक लुक दैट आई हैव क्रिएटेड टिल नाउ। आई थिंक मुझे एक यहाँ से निकाल के यहाँ लगानी पड़ेगी। Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Riddhi here and you are watching my makeup look specially for concerts. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Let's start with our eye makeup first. I'm using the Lakme CC cream to set my eyes. Just make sure आपका base अच्छे से बन गया है. Without that, to make your eyes pop is difficult. आपके पास फाउंडेशन है, you can use that. सारा मेकअप लेके बैठ गई but I forgot my main thing which is my eyeshadow palette. Let me take that and come back to you guys. I always forget one or the other things while shooting.
Let's make a base first of the brown color, which is this, and I'm using my Eyes Can Kill eyeshadow palette from Mars. जिस जहाँ पे क्रीज कट हो रही है वहाँ पे ही हमें एक शैडो बनानी है।
With my outfit, you must be knowing कि मेरा आज का आई शेडो कलर क्या होने वाला है, which is pink color. I have a lot of pink shades, like in fact full column ही pink shades का भरा हुआ है आई शेडो पैलेट में. So yeah, I think I'm going to use this color because it's matching to my top. In the inner corners and outer corners पे हम एक dark shade use करेंगे. I think I'm gonna use a thin brush for this. मुझे एक line निकालनी है inside my eye corner. Since it's a concert look, थोड़ा funky and थोड़ा extra तो होना ही चाहिए. And on the outer corners मैं एक dark shade लगा रही हूँ.
See, this is why I say foundation afterwards लगाना better है because sometimes it falls off and
with the foundation you can clear it later. So yeah, just make these lines like this. Just like हम कैसे liner लगाते हैं वैसे ही करना है हमें. If the line is not perfect, never mind. We are going to make it perfect using the foundation or concealer later. Which type of music, by the way, guys, do you like to listen? Like I am a Bollywood fan, not as such fan, but yeah, you can say there are a lot of upcoming concerts, so that's why I thought that why not do a concert makeup look, you know. Take any glossy nude lipstick which doesn't have any color but just the shine and that gloss. I am using a toffee shade lipstick from Studio West. Just spread it like this. I think we should have just applied it inside.
okay, yes, I think I made a mistake over here. We should just apply it inside.
I think my eye look is coming into life. Can you see it, guys? It's literally there. अभी मैं liner लगा रही हूँ, just एक thin layer of liner to define my eyes. It's from Too Faced.
So मैंने liner लगा लिया है. I know it's not that thin, but I think it will work.
Next मैं use कर रही हूँ Sky High Maybelline का mascara. By the way, which artist is your favorite, guys?
Mine is Yo-Yo Honey Singh. His songs were all time like amazing. Now also he launched so many songs.
And I really like The Millionaire. His kind of vibe is matched by none, I feel. I think it's looking good after applying mascara. My eyes look really brown over here, but when I just be in the normal light, it shows black. I think we should add some rhinestones, but that will do later because abhi wo गिर जाएंगे. Now let's apply the foundation first, which I'm using in the shade 230 from Maybelline. Just taking one part to spread it all over my face. Oh, I forgot to apply the primer first. I have a lot of pores on my nose. I have to do skincare routine, but मैं उसे टाल रही हूँ because मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा कंटाला आ रहा है.
Do you also feel sometimes really bored to doing skincare routines? I can feel you guys. if yes.
By the way, how much did you like my previous video, guys? Let me know in the comments if you want to see such looks more. I like how brush like gives a natural look. Now using the CC cream to conceal my under eyes. For that I'll need a sponge. So now for the blush, I'm using the Maybelline Terry Tint lipstick. Just under your eyeball you have to apply a little bit, and until your eyebrow you have to stretch it. This is the new hack that I have learned just 10 minutes ago, and I'm sharing it with you guys.
So my eyeball is here and here.
These are the placements, and I have to apply more, because if it's not seen, then what's the use of using a blush? Oh, I get it now. It doesn't give that broadness to your face, instead it shortens it up, and that's what I'm liking about it. I'm using the Mars contour and highlighter duo stick. Highlighter as usual, after setting spray will apply it. With this brush you can do it, bend it upwards. Well, now it's time to set our face using the Fit Me loose powder in the shade Light 15. I'm really excited when I apply like loose powder. It just indicates that your look is going to complete soon. So yeah, I was going to do the winter makeup challenge, but then this idea popped up and I thought that I should do this first, and afterwards I'll be doing the winter glow. I also learned a new baking technique, but for that you will need a setting spray. So what you have to do is just apply powder over here, then just spray setting spray, and you'll see the effect later on. But I don't have a setting spray, I have a makeup fixer, so that's why I am not using it. So I am outbordering my lips using this shade. If you have a pink lip liner, then you can apply that. I'm gonna apply this lipstick. It's a tester lipstick, but I'll link the similar one in description. I am using like this. So okay, बहुत ज़्यादा pinky look लग रहा है and I'm not liking it. I'm using a nude lipstick to just cover it up. Yeah, I think it's better now.
We'll do the hairstyle and then it will give a nice effect to the look that we have created. Oh, and I forgot my eyebrows. Wait, I'll do that.
Eyebrows के लिए मैं use कर रही हूँ L'Oreal Paris का eyebrow palette.
So now I'm just gonna set my face using the makeup fixer from Swiss Beauty.
Let's apply the highlighter, cream highlighter. Just fingers से ही आप spread कर सकते हो, don't need to. So since our makeup look is done, मैं भी hairstyle बना रही हूँ फटाफट, just so I don't get late for the concert, you know. My mom tells me that you should use a wooden comb so that the blood circulation happens. So मैं वही use कर रही हूँ. मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ मैट्रिक्स का सीरम. इट्स गुड, इट स्मेल्स रियली गुड. सो मुझे ये यूज़ करना पसंद आ रहा है अभी. सो जस्ट सो दैट हमारा हेयर टैंगल्ड ना हो जाए, वी आर यूजिंग द सीरम. व्हाट यू कैन डू इज टेक अ सेक्शन ऑफ इट, सिक्योर इट विद अ हेयर बैंड.
Really difficult to make hairstyles with these hair bands.
नाउ फॉर द अदर पार्ट एज वेल मैं सेम करूँगी. Finally, after so much of struggle, I'm there. Now what we are going to do is
Take another strand from here, not from the ponytail, from here, and make a braid, normal braid.
I think this is the most unique look that I've created till now. I feel like shimmer is missing right now in my eyes, so I'm going to highlight them using the L'Oreal Paris eyeshadow palette. Eyeshadow, just a little bit under your eyes. So my eye look is completed and so is my hairstyle. Last part is remaining, I'll show you.
Using these ribbons to tie in my ponytail.
How is it looking, guys? Is it looking like a schoolgirl or something? Well, I don't think so. Now I'm applying the rhinestones on my eyes. Okay, it's giving that effect. I think मुझे एक यहाँ से निकाल के यहाँ लगानी पड़ेगी because I'm lacking of bindis. So guys, मैंने just वो bows को खोल दिया and just एक knot बांध के रखा है. This is looking better than that bow. And also if you want आप ये bracelets पहन सकते हो just to give it extra look. I think these are in trend also and full hands पे ये अच्छा भी लग जाता है. It's giving me the concert vibes. Just the band is missing. So yeah guys, this was it from my side. I hope you really liked my today's video, and if you did, then do hit the like button and subscribe for more such makeup tutorials which are coming your way soon.